Are you using affiliate marketing to your advantage? Get tips and tricks here. Affiliate marketing is a way to do a revenue sharing venture between websites and/or other merchants. The website owner puts advertisements on their site to promote sales for the other merchants and can send interested customers to that website. This video can help explain all of the ways that affiliate marketing can work for you. Many people overlook the power of the blog. Blogs aren't just for trading recipes anymore. They are an active and vital marketing tool that can reap great rewards for those who use them. By engaging your potential customers, you can show yourself as a knowledgeable seller who realizes the value of the consumer. When you try to make money through affiliate advertising, it is important that you stay up to date with all of the new trends and outlets to make money. Many affiliate advertising programs change, making it important that you stay on top of what is going on with the programs that are available. Some affiliate marketers try too much to become what are called super affiliates. This means taking on a large amount of products with too many promotions. Remember, maximum results aren't attainable all at once. It is important to take time and look for the best method that will apply to you. Make sure that the affiliate program that you are signing on with has a great reputation. If you find a company that does not have a good reputation, you may find yourself working for nothing. You may work for hours to get things going well on your end, only to not be paid in the end. As previously stated, affiliate marketing can open doors between merchants and can help them to refer potential customers. By using the techniques in the video, you can increase traffic to your website and also make money for sending customers the other merchant's way. It is a win-win situation for both merchants. Student loan.